Welcome to CT Tutorial. Today we will learn about message box with the VBA button. So where we will write the code, just you need to click on the developer tab and after that Visual Basic, and the shortcut key is Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. Just click on there and insert a module. So what I have written here, I have written a subject line, and after that the macro, and declare a variable response as VB MsgBox result. So inside the message box there is a questions that do you want to continue. If yes, then it will say thank you or it will say hi. We have restored the answer yes or no in the response variable. So let's see how it's work. Just press F5 or click on this button. Do you want to continue? If yes, if I press yes, then it will say thank you, or if I press no, then it will say hi. So let's see if I first I press yes, thank you. Okay, so that's it. And second time I am running, if I press no, then it will give you output hi. Why it is using? Suppose you want to add a worksheet, and before adding a worksheet you just wanted to take a response from the user that if they are ready to add a worksheet or not. If yes, then our worksheet will add. If no, then it will not add any kind of worksheet. MsgBox is specifically used for the developer, by the developer, to give some output, to show some information to the user, or for debugging purpose. So thank you. If you like my video, please press on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn more about macro, if you want to masters in macro, then please follow my channel. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.